In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the
voice AI characters, audio and video feature
Capcut desktop PC online completely for free in 2024. Okay, so step number 1 is to drag your video on the timeline by clicking the plus. Step number 2 is to go under the text tab. In this case, I'm using trending and I'm clicking the third option. The next step is to double tap on the screen and type in whatever text you want to add or you want the voice AI character in Capcut to say. Okay, so once you're finished typing your text, you can double click and you can change the font size or adjust your text accordingly. And once the text is still and has been selected or is highlighted, you want to go under the fourth option or tab, which says AI characters. You can choose a list of AI characters, but for this example, I'm going to be using a male voice, or I'm going to be using this person, Pedro. You can click on this to hear the preview of the voice AI character.
Hey, good to see you.
And then if you want to add it onto the video timeline, click add on the bottom right. This will take some time to load as it says it's currently applying on the timeline and it's rendering under the player rendering settings, so wait for it to load. So once the character has been applied, this is what your voice AI character sounds like.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Capcut free online voice character.
So I don't like the way that sounds because I believe it doesn't sound exactly to what this male character sounds like. So in order to change the voice, you go under the audio tab, which is the fourth or fifth option. And as you can see, the current option is the charming male. But I have found that the normal male voice has sound better for this voice AI character. So click on it to preview. In today's video, I will be showing you how to, and then click start reading. Wait for the voice AI character to load. And now with the new voice audio feature, this is what your voice AI character sounds like.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Capcut free online voice character voice or audio feature in 2024.
So I like the way that sounds. If you want to adjust the scale of your voice AI character, you can do so by clicking the video or the second layer and then move under the player and adjust, sliding down and up, or however you want. Okay, so now if you want to add a female voice AI character, you can do so by clicking your video clip under tracker layer 1, holding down Alt, and then dragging your video clip to the right. Move this to the left to your voice AI character, and then with the same exact thing, you go under to text, click your text, add or type your text on what the voice AI character wants to say. And then once your text is still or has been highlighted or selected, again go back into voice AI characters. In this case, I'm scrolling up and I'm going to be using the fourth option, which is Dom standing. Click to preview the female voice.
Hey, good to see you.
And then click add on the bottom right to add the female voice AI character voice. Wait for it to load. And this is what your female voice AI character sounds like.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment.
So I have found that the peaceful female voice character works the best for this female character instead of the narrative female. So click peaceful female to preview.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video.
And then now once it has been selected, click start reading and wait for this to load. And now this is what your female voice AI character sounds like.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more free online video editing tutorials in Capcut.
So if you do not like the sound of that voice for the female or the sound of the voice for the male, then feel free to go and experiment with all the different voices. And feel free to go and experiment with all the different AI characters, both female and male. Thanks for watching this free online video editing tutorial for Capcut. If you want to learn more about voice AI characters or see more free online video editing tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.